Hello everyone. Pancreatic cancer is a deadly metastatic disease, and today in my presentation, I'm going to address the potential role of choline pathway in regulating metastasis in pancreatic cancer. Our lab focuses on the role of tumor-initiating cells like CD133 positive cells in driving metastasis in pancreatic cancer. Interestingly, we found out when we fed mice with choline-enriched diet, they showed faster tumor formation along with the increase in tumor initiation frequency shown on the right. Next, when we looked at the expression of different enzymes and transporters of choline pathway in KPC mice, our results showed that as the tumor grows from 1 month to full-blown tumor, there is a significant increase in the expression of enzymes and transporters of choline metabolic pathway. Further comparing the expression in cell lines, we observed higher expression of these enzymes in metastatic cell lines compared to the non-metastatic one. Interestingly, expression correlates with percentage of CD133 population in these cell lines. One important enzyme we focused was PLD1 because it converts phosphatidylcholine to phosphatidic acid, which is an important second lipid messenger associated with the cell motility. CD133 overexpressing cell lines have higher expression of PLD1 compared to control. Our TCG analysis showed high PLD1 expression is associated with poor survival in pancreatic cancer patients. Further analysis of KPC tumors showed pancreatic tumors have higher expression of PLD1 as shown by immunofluorescence as well as higher PLD1 activity shown on the right. Interestingly, when we inhibited this enzyme pharmacologically in vitro, we observed reduced invasion in Boyden chamber assay. Similarly, ESIS assay showed reduced migration of cell when treated with PLD1 inhibitor. Importantly, PLD1 inhibitor did not show any effect on the viability at these doses. These in vitro studies showed potential which need to be further validated in vivo. In summary, choline promotes tumor initiation in pancreatic cancer. Pancreatic tumors have high choline transporter and enzyme expression. PLD1 expression is high in metastatic cell lines and its inhibition reduces invasion and migration. Thank you.